The founder of SpaceX, Tesla, and Twitter X, Elon Musk, has revealed his plan to launch the new Tesla Pi phone, the smartest phone, by the end of 2024. Yes, you heard that right. Tesla is planning to enter into the smartphone industry. As you all know, Tesla has been there from long time and they have redefined the auto industry, and Tesla has pushed the boundaries of technology and innovation. Now they are planning to enter into the smartphone industry. So let's find it out on the website, and what will be the expected features and price range, we'll find it out here. According to lifewire.com, Tesla phone news and expected prices and release date, you can find it here on the website. So we'll have a look of the smart features, and the phone prices will start from 800, will be ranging from 800 to 1200 USD, which is United States dollar, and the pre-order information is available here. Let's have a look of the Tesla Pi 5G features. According to the Tesla's over-the-top features, their existing products like Cybertruck's nearly impenetrable exoskeleton and bioweapon defense mode, you can see here on the website. Here's what we have seen: the satellite internet. According to the modern phones comes with 5G basically. SpaceX space-based internet service Starlink that the company could choose to use. This is the expected feature they are expecting on this website. Vehicle control, because Tesla has their own app to perform the key operations of their car. Solar charging would be the one, because Tesla's manufactures solar panels and vehicles, as you can see here. Astrophotography, crypto mining, Neuralink support. These are some expected features in Tesla's Pi phone. You can have a look in detail on this website. I'll try to attach the link on my video description. If you find this information informative, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to SMK for more interesting content. Stay tuned for next videos.